It's very encouraging to see the rates come down from the Omicron surge, but to put it in perspective, we are still having rates that are among the highest that we had during our Delta surge, and really second only to Omicron's peaks that in the pandemic so far. So we are far from out of the woods. COVID is still very much with us right now. As we start to see municipalities relax some of their masking requirements, individuals have to make their own decision about their own risk. Masking becomes much more important when you're indoors and when you're in close proximity to other people who may not be wearing masks. Vaccination has moved us to a very different place than we would have been without it. We still have had surges, we still have had record high hospitalizations, but without vaccination, this would have been so much more devastating. In the hospital, the majority of patients are unvaccinated. Vaccinated people have gotten infected, especially with Omicron. And what we are learning is that booster dose taken recently is very important. And so we don't yet know how many boosters we'll need, if we'll need that ongoing. But if you haven't had your initial vaccination, that's number one priority. And then if you have had your initial vaccination, getting that booster dose is also really important to preventing infection, even though your initial vaccine still gives you some protection from hospitalization.